I did some work on the air conditioner frame today. What I did is I framed it out top to bottom to match the window. There's a little shim on the bottom because the window's not square. And that's that. So now I have the bottom portion where the sleeve will slide in and I can screw it into place. And then the air conditioner can slide in. And then the top, my piece of glass came in so I can put that on here. So that's looking pretty good now. Hopefully we can get that finished tomorrow. I didn't do it on video because I needed it to just go quickly and correctly because it's kind of on a time crunch. I'm going to be having a party here on July 4th, and between the stupid screaming owls, which quite frankly makes it impossible to be outside because listening to those things scream aimlessly is like some bizarre form of torture. So between the stupid screaming owls and the possibility of heat and the possibility of rain, if that party is inside, this air conditioner needs to just plain work. So, and this is not a throw-in kind of ordeal. This takes time to figure all this out, so that's why I'm doing it now. I upgraded the legs to 4x4s so it's sturdier, and yeah, it should work good. Should make a good seal on both sides and the top. The only thing that's not going to make a good seal is the bottom because it's not square. But I'll just have to put a bead of caulk or something under, and that'll be it. So that's good. I think that'll be copacetic. The humidity today is out of control. I was cutting some wood up here, and the table is not wet. I have the umbrella up here, but the air is so heavy, the dust is like just sticking to the table. And I cut this as a shim, and it just curled up because the air is so wet. It's ridiculous. So that's that. Not good. Other than the moisture, this is copacetic. So now tomorrow I'll put the glass in, I'll secure the frame to the window, and then I gotta clean the unit. I don't want to secure the frame until I've got the thing cleaned and ready to go in, because if it's not in there, there's just a big old hole in the wall, which is no good. Now, until I get that put in, I've just been running this thing here. It's on cool, not that it makes any difference because all the modes do the same thing. I just keep it on low and I turn it down all the way so it just runs, and it actually removes the moisture pretty well. It's getting a little bit too cold in here, but it's down to 49%, and it's actually doing the whole house right now. Not that it's that hot out, but even all the way down here it's 75 over 50, so it's not a bad machine for now. You know, once it starts getting hot, it's not going to cut it. But for this kind of climate, it's fine. We'll go take a look from the outside right quick and see the condensation coming out. It's probably time to empty the bucket. What I should do is replace it with this other bucket for now until I need it back up here, because I think that thing is going to be running all night. Gross. Hate bugs. This is still going. Doing a fine job. even though the condenser's all beat up and everything is running. This is working good. That stinking rose bush makes a mess. I gotta come out here and clean up the petals every day. Stupid screaming owls. And that thing makes a mess too. This was empty when I started it about 2 or 3 hours ago. It pulls a lot of moisture. That should take us through the night. I just don't like having all that water going down into the foundation like that, because the water situation is temperamental over here. Despite being on low fan, this is barely warm. It's got pretty good airflow through the whole thing. It's so wet out here, even the condensate tunnel is like sweating. I don't think we can really see if it's coming back cold because it's got a blanket over the compressor. I can't really see anything. It gets all over the house, but I don't know what to do about it, just the way it is. Gardens are coming along nicely. Got some nice flowers coming up over there. Alright, well, I think that's a wrap for this one. That's what's going on around here tonight. Hopefully wrap this project up tomorrow, and then I'll get some more video of the finished product.